Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to create our first project in Azure DevOps. Okay, if you see for my last video, I have explained about how to create your free Azure DevOps account in Microsoft and how you can able to like sign up and everything I showed. And also I showed that about that Visual Studio Code Editor, how to install into your local. These are the two things I showed that. Okay, and we are going to moreover we are working for by using that is the one only. Okay, and now here once you created, you can able to launch in this location. Okay, this is your home page and this is your Azure DevOps username, and in this username how many projects you have created, that projects it will be displayed in this location. You can able to click that particular project, you can able to navigate in that particular page, that particular projects. Okay, I have already one testing one, and also and another one I'm going to create by using for this new project. This is the key, and you can able to see this is the version of the sprint version. It is, they are provided already. Okay, here nothing will be there. Okay, in case if you want to add some settings, user settings and all, you can click here three dots and user setting, this is a one, or you can able to click for user settings. These are two things are same. Okay, permissions, if you want to see the permissions, you can able to click the permissions, what are the things you have, you can able to see personal access key usage, and those things are presented. Okay, if you want personal token, you can able to create, but now it is not required, you can able to go ahead. Okay, now after that you can click for new project. Okay, in this project you can able to mention for any name you can able to mention, not only the thing, you can able to provide any kind of name. Okay, and here if you provide the name like I'm going to do for demo first demo first project, this is the one I'm going to provide here, and deploying code in Azure, anything you can able to provide. By default organization level it will be in a private. If you are go for public, you can able to click public, but this particular public will be disable because they will not allow you, but most of the time private is be good to view. Okay, click on this once you create it, and it will take couple of minutes to create your project because it need to be uh, create your virtual system and everything, right? And it will create and it will provide you, and here you can able to see here there is an invitation, you can able to provide your members invitation here to adding from them, and this is the welcome members, and if you want, this is a by default, I can able to add that particular project. If you invite any member, it will be visible in this location. Okay, and sometimes I need to see that privilegizations. Okay, the usage they removed me. Okay, okay. They have there is some parallel execution time. There will be one small change will be there. That particular one they are not allow us now to do that usage. That I'm checking because they will not. Okay, all the things they are already provided. Okay, no issues. Okay, now here you can able to see this is the overview of your, this is your Azure DevOps project. Okay, this is a project, and even you can able to get it here as well, and the overview of the project and the summary in case if you have something executed already, and if you want to see that summary place, you can able to see. And if you click for dashboard, in the dashboard if you added any pipelines and executions and everything, you can able to get it here. Okay, and the wiki link, if you can able to boards, you can able to in the boards you can able to see work item, boards, backlog, sprint, query, deliverable plans, analysis, analytic views, and everything they are going to provide in this boards. And repos, if you want to repos side, you can able to see the commit push for GitHub or SVN branches, Microsoft TSV, anything they will provide you for here. Okay, this is the pipeline, and this pipeline you can able to use to create your pipelines, projects pipelines, and also you can able to set the libraries, and you can set the environments. And here will be the test plan and progress of the report. You can able to how many runs and how many what is the progress of the particular report, and what is the test plan we need to run for that particular one. Everything they will provide you. Artifacts, you can get the artifacts details from this particular artifacts section. Okay, and based upon your artifacts and all, it will be available. Okay, and this is the run hub. You can once you click the run hub, they will provide you some sample information, how that information, like how it will be run and what result you can able to the sample. This is the run place. Okay, this is the run place, and here they, if there some items are presented, you can able to get for all the information about the runs. Okay, and if you click the pipelines, and the pipelines that are present, I don't have anything created. That's why you can able to see empty pipelines from here. Okay, and next video session also we can able to see how we can able to create our pipelines, and how we can able to configure our GitHub to that particular Azure's, and everything we can able to see in the next video session. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.